Hi everyone, this is Hamp, one of the TAs for the Daventry Code Forward program. I wanted to do a video where I'm showing you how to install Python locally on your Windows machine. So to do this, let's just go ahead and get started and go straight to Google. So I'm at Google and I'm going to search download Python. And as we can see, the official Python website here will take us straight to the download section. And out of these releases, we're going to want Python 3.6. The course is running on the 3.6 version, so it would be important to have that same version on our local machines. So we can come over here, go to Downloads, scroll down towards the bottom, and we can see all these different files. Wow, they've got a lot of different versions here. The one that we're going to want is probably the Windows x86-64 executable installer. So go ahead and click that, save it wherever you choose. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and click on that executable. And one of the first things that you want to do is make sure that you add Python 3.6 to path. Well, what does that mean? If I open up a command line and I type in here some phrase like Python 3, if Python 3 is installed, then it would report back to me some sort of a message telling me how to use Python. But because Python is not installed and not added to the path yet, it would, well, I guess I should track back. Even if it was installed, but Python was not added to the quote path, when we type Python 3 and then try and run commands in there, it would still give us this message. When we add Python 3.6 to path, our operating system now knows that when we type Python 3, that we want to run Python. So it creates a sort of name association with a program, commandlet, what have you, to the operating system so that it knows that it's available to be ran. I don't think I explained that super well, but just know that if it's not added to path, you're going to have some problems with being able to actually run Python in different scenarios. So you definitely want to select that. And let's go ahead and click install now. And by the way, this is a completely clean installation of Windows 10. So there's nothing on here with Python, and hopefully your machine doesn't have anything with Python on there yet either if you're doing this installation. If I'm smart and not lazy, maybe I'll try and do video editing to clear up that last bit, but I've never really done video editing, so maybe not. I would go ahead and allow this too because I would just go ahead and allow the max path change to keep us from having any sort of errors in the future if we do more advanced work. You can go ahead and close that. Now I'm going to close PowerShell here and reopen it. And if I type Python 3, actually it might end up being Python 3.6, I'm not 100% sure. Oh, maybe just Python? Okay, there we go. So it installed it under just Python, not Python 3 when we added it to path. So I typed Python, you can see that it says Python 3.6.8, all this blah, 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 and gives us the version information. So we can now, within here, run Python code. Okay, so this was just a short installation on Windows for Python. I'm planning on doing a Mac version, and then I will also be doing a Visual Studio Code installation because we don't want to be writing our code in PowerShell or other terminal or command line because it's just not very nice. Unless you want to get crazy and learn Vim, but none of us wants to do that because we're not crazy. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful.